If you're searching for a new case for your Mavic Air, one that is more sturdy and convenient than the original one, then you might want to check this out. The new PolarPro rugged soft case comes with a lot of storage space. Besides your drone and the controller, you can fit in 5 batteries as well as plenty of additional accessories like the charger, extra props, cables and even more stuff that goes inside the large upper zip pocket. All of your gear is protected in this custom built foam insert, which holds the batteries extra tight and safe if you drop the case. Your drone is protected by a custom soft shell, which is solid but super lightweight, and with the hand grip and an extra attachable shoulder strap to carry it more comfortably, you can take it with you wherever you go. As always from PolarPro, the build quality is amazing, and if you want to have a reliable case for your drone to travel safely so you don't have to worry something might break, I highly recommend to check out the new rugged soft case, since this might be the right one for you.